Hello students, welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today our topic product rule and constant rule of derivative. Number 1, product rule, derivative of a function. In derivative of a function, today we will discuss about product rule. You know that formula, derivative of u into v, u as it is derivative of v plus v as it is derivative of u according to the product rule. For example, y is equal to x sin x. Find the derivative of this function using product rule. dy by dx, first function as it is, derivative of sin x plus sin x as it is, derivative of x. Dash mean derivative. X, derivative of sin x, cos x plus sin x as it is, derivative of x1. Therefore answer x cos x plus sin x. Second question, y is equal to ax plus b all to the power n, cx plus d all to the power m. Find the derivative of this function using product rule. According to the product rule, differentiate both sides with respect to x. First function as it is, and the derivative of cx plus d all to the power n plus cx plus d all to the power n as it is, and the derivative of ax plus b whole to the power n dash. Correct? Derivative ax plus b all to the power n as it is, derivative of cx plus d whole to the power m. You know that m, cx plus d whole to the power n minus 1, and the derivative of cx plus d into product c, derivative of cx c, and the derivative of d 0, cx plus d whole to the power n as it is, and the derivative of this n ax plus b whole to the power n minus 1 into derivative of ax plus b, derivative of ax a, and the derivative of b 0. Further, for simplification, you can take common in a very value, ax plus b whole to the power n minus 1, cx plus d whole to the power n minus 1 common. You know that this is common, then a m into c multiply by this, that is mc into, you can say, ax plus b, and here if you take common ax plus b whole to the power n minus 1 common, and from here cx plus d whole to the power n minus 1 common. Therefore na cx plus d, this is the answer. Yes, this is called product rule. One more example of product rule. Third question, y is equal to sin x into cos kx, sin x into cos kx. Find the derivative of this function using product rule. dy by dx, first function as it is, derivative of second function plus second function as it is, derivative of first function. Clear? According to this rule. Now can you tell me the derivative of cos kx, derivative of cos kx according to the property x to the power n x to the power n minus 1. You can say twice cos x to the power 1 and into the derivative of cos x minus sin x plus cos kx as it is, derivative of sin x cos x. Correct? Now you can take common you can take cos x, you can take common cos x, a minus 2 sin square x, sin x into sin x, sin square x, cos x common from here, plus cos x common, then cos square x. This is the answer. Clear? Next, one more example. Y is equal to r by x plus p into ax plus b. Find the derivative using product rule. dy by dx, r by x plus p as it is, derivative of ax plus b plus ax plus b as it is, the derivative of r by x plus p according to the product rule. Correct? You know that in this question A, B, C, P, Q, R are constant term. A, B, P, R are called constant term. R is the coefficient that can be taken the derivative of 1 by x, that is minus 1 by x here, and the derivative of P is 0. Here the derivative of ax plus b, firstly you have to write derivative of ax plus b, that is a, and the derivative of a is 0. Ax as it is. Similarly here ax plus b as it is, derivative of r by x, that is minus r by x square plus 0. When you simplify, multiply by ar by x plus ap. Now multiply with this minus ar by x minus br by x square. Now you know that 2 like term cancel, ar this to this cancel, this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay.